Alice's Wonderland Block 3. 9 patch. Block 3 of our skill building series is the 9 patch block. The 9 patch block will be used as a building block to many different blocks throughout your quilting journey. It is a fun and easy block to make, so let's get started. For our 9 patch block, we will be using our fabrics A2, A8, and our background fabric. Following our pattern, we will cut our fabric as indicated. To construct this block, we will use strip piecing and web piecing. Where possible, we will be pressing our seams toward the darkest fabric. Set up your block as I have shown you here and sew along with me. With your longer strips, the background strip between the two A2 strips. Begin by placing the background fabric right sides together with one of the A2 strips and sew down the length of that pair of strips. Use a scant 1/4 inch seam. When you come to the end of this pair, instead of cutting the thread, pick up one of the background squares and the A8 square, placing them right sides together and sew down one side using a scant 1/4 inch seam. Cut the thread between the pieces you just sewed and the longer strip set. Place the second A2 strip right sides together with the background strip, sew these together. Cut the thread between the strip set you just sewed and the 2 patch unit. Add the remaining background square to the opposite side of the A8 square and sew these together. Remove all of the pieces from under the sewing machine. The longer strip set should be cut in half. Set up your block with the unit with the A8 and 2 background squares in the center of the block. Place 1/2 of the now cut in half strip set on either side of the center strip set. This makes your 9 patch unit. Match up your seams that and pin if necessary, so these together is shown. Press and square up your block as indicated in your pattern. You now have completed block 3. Label it and store with blocks 1 and 2 for future use. Our next block, block 4 of our skill building series, is the checkerboard block.
Well, that's it for today. So I'm going to say, be blessed, less stressed, and pet some fabric today. See you later.